हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बीए सिक्स सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में फर्स्ट पेपर में यूनिट थर्ड का ड्रामा महेश दत्तानी द्वारा लिखित 7 स्टेप्स अराउंड द फायर के ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन। तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट है, व्हेन वाज महेश दत्तानी बोर्न? द आंसर इज 7 अगस्त 1958। सेकंड है, वेयर वाज महेश दत्तानी बोर्न? द आंसर इज बेंगलोर। थर्ड, महेश दत्तानी डिड हिज ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम, यानी उन्होंने अपना स्नातक कहाँ से किया? एसटी जोसेफ कॉलेज बेंगलोर। फोर है, हु इंस्पायर्ड महेश दत्तानी इन राइटिंग वर्क? आंसर इज एडवर्ड एलवी। फाइव है, विच प्ले डिड महेश दत्तानी राइट इन 1986? तो आंसर इज वेयर देयर्स अ विल। सिक्स है, व्हेन महेश दत्तानी प्ले डांस लाइक अ मैन वाज पब्लिश्ड? आंसर इज 1989। सेवन, महेश दत्तानी's play Tara was published in? Answer is 1990. Eight, Mahesh Dattani's play Bravely Fought the Queen was published in? तो आंसर होगा 1991। नाइन है, महेश दत्तानी's play On a Muggy Night in Mumbai was published in? Answer is 1998। 10 है, when was Mahesh Dattani's play Final Solution published? Answer is 1993। 11, when was Mahesh Dattani's play 30 Days in September published? Answer is 2001। 12 है, महेश दत्तानी's play The Girl Who Touched the Stars was published in? The answer is 2007। 13, Mahesh Dattani's play Brief Candle was published in 2009। 14, Mahesh Dattani wrote his play Where Did I Leave My Purdah in? Answer is 2012। 15, when was Mahesh Dattani's play The Big Fat City was published? The answer is 2012। 16, Mahesh Dattani received National Panorama Award for his play. Answer is Dance Like a Man। 17, Mahesh Dattani received Sahitya Academy Award for his book of plays. Answer is Final Solutions and Other Plays। 18 है, which plays of Mahesh Dattani were selected by साहित्य कला परिषद? Answer is all of these, यानी तारा, Final Solution, 30 Days in September। 19, when was the play 7 Step Around the Fire first broadcast by BBC Radio? Answer is 9 January 1999। 20, in the play 7 Steps Around the Fire, who is the beautiful woman in bridal outfit at the starting? Answer is Kamala। 21 है, who is Uma Rao? The answer is a sociology lecturer। 22, at which university did Uma Rao teach? Answer is Bangalore University। 23 है, who is the husband of Uma Rao? The answer is Suresh। 24, what is the designation of Suresh? Answer is superintendent of police। 25 है, who is Monswami? Answer is constable। 26, in which case Uma Rao is interested? Answer is Kamala murder case। 27, to meet whom Uma visits a prison cell? Answer is Anarkali। 28, what did Anarkali think about Uma's profession? Answer is journalist। 29, in which prison Anarkali is kept? Answer is male cell। 30, what does Suresh wear on his first appearance? Answer is लुंगी एंड टी शर्ट पहना था वो। 31 है, to which animal Suresh compares Hijra? Answer is horse। 32, which color nightie Suresh demands Uma to wear? Answer is purple। 33, from which language the word Hijra is originated? Answer is Urdu। 34, to whom the ancestry of Hijras is connected? Answer is Ramayana। 35 what was sacrificed by the followers of Ram? Answer is masculinity. जो रामायण, हिंदी में रामायण पढ़ेंगे और इंग्लिश में इसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन रामायण आप करते हैं। जैसे राम होता है और हम इंग्लिश में पढ़ते हैं इसे रामा। 36 at which two Hindu occasions the presence of hijras is acceptable? Answer is marriage and childbirth। यानी दो अवसर होते हैं शादी, हिंदू ओकेजन में अवसर में एक बच्चे का जन्म होता है, तब हिजरा यानी जो किन्नर है, जो ट्रांसजेंडर है, उनकी प्रेजेंस उपस्थिति क्या है? माननीय है, एक्सेप्टेबल है। 37 steps at the occasion of wedding are witnessed by which god? आंसर इज फायर। यानी आग के चारों तरफ फेरे लेते हैं तो वो अग्नि देव होते हैं, हिंदू धर्म में मान्यता है वो क्या होते हैं? विटनेस होते हैं। 38 हाउ मच मनी अनारकली डिमांड फ्रॉम उमा? तो आंसर इज 100 रुपीज। 39 हाउ मेनी किड्स डू उमा हैव? आंसर इज नो चाइल्ड। उस पर कोई भी बच्चा नहीं था। 40 हु फाउंड द बॉडी ऑफ कमला? आंसर इज पैसरबाई। 41 हु कंप्लेन अबाउट द स्टेंच? आंसर इज उमा। उमा ने शिकायत की किसकी? स्टेंच की। 42 वेयर डज चंपा लाइव? आंसर इज बिहाइंड रसल मार्केट इन शिवाजी नगर। वह रसल मार्केट के पीछे शिवाजी नगर में रहती थी। कौन? चंपा। 43 अनारकली आस्क्स उमा टू मीट whom at शिवाजी नगर? आंसर इज चंपा। 44 what does Munswami think about the beggar at the traffic light? Answer is they are spies। वह क्या सोचता है किसके बारे में? बैगर के बारे में, जो कहाँ पर होते हैं? ट्रैफिक लाइट पर। दे आर स्पाइस। 45 हु यूज्ड टू कैरी स्मॉल चेंज? आंसर इज उमा मदर, उमाज मदर। 46 वेयर वाज रामा गोइंग? आंसर इज एग्जाइल यानी बनवास। हाउ इज द हिजरास परसीव्ड? आंसर इज लोएस्ट ऑफ लो। 48 फॉर व्हाट हिजरास अर्न फॉर द फैमिली एंड लव? 49 to which blessing Hijras is deprived of? Answer is may you be the mother of 100 sons। 50 which brand of cigarette Suresh used to smoke? Answer is Gold Flag। 51 to which area Uma's research paper belongs to? Answer होगा इसका क्लास जेंडर बेस्ड पावर इम्प्लीकेशन। 52 who is the sister of अनारकली? आंसर होगा इसका कमला। अनारकली की बहन कौन थी? कमला। Who is killed soon after her marriage? आंसर इज कमला। 54 है what is the designation of Uma's father? आंसर इज वाइस चांसलर। 55 what is the name of maid that works Uma's father's house at? आंसर इज मैरी। 56 है how much money Uma borrows from her father for the bail of अनारकली? आंसर इज 20,000। 57 हु इज चंपा? आंसर इज गुरु ऑफ हिजरा यानी उनका गुरु थे हिजरा के चंपा। 58 which magazine Champa is reading when Uma first visited her? Answer is Femina। 59 who has been fighting outside when Uma is conversing with Champa? Answer is Salim। 60 who is the first choice of Champa and other Hijras to make their head? Answer is Kamla। 61 what pronoun does Uma use for Anarkali? Answer is she। 62 what pronoun does Manswami use for Anarkali? Answer is it। 63 what is Salim looking for? Answer is picture। वो क्या ढूंढने आया था? देखने आया था या क्या देख रहा था? पिक्चर। आंसर इज हु इज सालिम? आंसर इज बॉडीगार्ड ऑफ मिस्टर शर्मा। सालिम कौन था? मिस्टर शर्मा का बॉडीगार्ड यानी अंगरक्षक था। वेयर डज सालिम लाइव? यानी सालिम कहाँ रहता था? पैलेस ऑफ ऑर्चार्ड्स। 66 होम हैज पुलिस अरेस्टेड फॉर द मर्डर केस ऑफ कमला? आंसर इज अनारकली। 67 हु इज मिस्टर शर्मा? आंसर इज डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर यानी उप मुख्यमंत्री। 68 व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ रोड वेयर सालिम लिव्स? आंसर इज 12। 69. Who has confessed at minister's house that he had killed Kamala? Answer is Khan Salim. 70. Who is the son of Mr. Sharma? Answer is Subbu. 71. What had Uma purchased to gift Subbu on his wedding? Answer is a rug. 72. Which color of lehenga Anarkali wants to wear on Subbu's wedding? Answer is red. 73. Which lullaby does Champa sing to lullaby does Champa sing to सूद अनारकली? यानी वो कौन सी लोरी सुना रहे थे? तो लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी. 74. Which color of shawl does Uma wear for Subbu's wedding? And answer is bright red. 75. On which occasion did Suresh buy that shawl for Uma? Answer is Diwali. 76. Who loved Kamala? Answer is Subbu. 77. Who had planned to conspiracy to kill Kamala? Answer is Mr. Sharma. 78. Who gives a Polaroid picture to Subbu? Answer is Anarkali. 79. From whom Subbu snatches the gun? Answer is Suresh. 80. Whom Subbu has sold for the gun? Answer is Suresh. 81. Who is the new head of Hijraz group towards the end of the play? Answer is Anarkali. 82. What does Anarkali give to Uma? Answer is a locket. 83. What is the date of birth of Mahesh Dattani? Answer is 7th August 1958. 84. Where was Mahesh Dattani born? Answer is Karnataka. 84. 85. Who has solved the murder mystery of Kamala? Answer is Uma. तो आज की वीडियो हम लोग यहीं समाप्त करेंगे. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक करें. जिस किसी को इस वीडियो की आवश्यकता हो उसे शेयर करें. धन्यवाद.